How to add a logo to your Wix website. I will show you two ways of how you can do this. The first way, we click on add elements right here. Then we go to image. And then you will see at the very bottom this option for a custom logo. So we can add this like so. And we can basically rearrange this wherever we want. So we can attach it to the header. As you can see, we get this option. And we can click on logo design and we can design the logo itself. So we can choose a logo. It will take us to another page where we can actually explain to Wix what our website is for or what our brand is like, and then it will design a logo for us. The second way of how we can do this is we click on add elements, and then right here we click on upload and import if we already have a logo created. So I already have one. I am just going to click on upload from computer, and here I will choose the logo that I want to use. So just as an example, I'm going to use this image, or maybe this one just looks more like a logo. So I will just cancel this upload, but it's the same process. You click on it like so, and then you click on add to page, and it's gonna look like this. We need to rearrange this, so we will just drag it, make it smaller, and now if we want to add it to the header, we will just make it even smaller, and we can just drag it and drop it right here on the header. So hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.